Okay.
Hello! Oh, I better get a job, I suppose, as I'm pretty drunk. Oh, might as well go here. Carphone Warehouse, brilliant.
Hello.
Oh,
I own
hello.
this Carphone Warehouse.
I'm gonna apply for a job, I think.
You want a job at my Carphone Warehouse, Ben, do you?
Yes!
Hey, my dog. Hey, don't attack Ben, you crazy dog.
Oh, what's going on?
I can't control my dog. Oh God, and a
I'm
bee as
terrified,
well.
dog.
Hey, come back. We weren't gonna give you a job. Ben,
Terrified.
would you like a job at the Carphone Warehouse?
Hold on, we have that dog. What's his name?
This dog is. Who is this dog?
Dog, what's your name, dog?
Nokia.
My dog.
The dog is
Nokia.
called Nokia. I named it after my favorite phone because it's nice and rugged, and they take it everywhere.
Rugged and also trusty.
It's trusting. Is what I meant. A trustworthy phone, but also it's rugged. So if you drop it, don't worry.
Oh, why don't we go for a swim at the park?
Hey, yeah. Oh, that was easy. It takes no time to get to the
Oh,
park.
you and me get on great.
Hey, ah, man, this bee just fell out of the sky. I'm gonna shag it. I'm gonna shag it.
Is it alive? I'm gonna eat the dog.
Hey, get off my dog, you
I'm
bastard.
sorry, alright. Right.
Let's get back to the phone shop.
This job again.
Yes, right. Well, do you want the job? I'll ask you one question.
What?
Why do you want to work at the Carphone Whorehouse?
I love whores and phones and
You love you love whores, do you? Well, come and work at my shop.
But then this dog's trying to shag me. Look, do you want to...
I'll get him.
Ben is my name.
Ben, come in and work at the Carphone Warehouse.
See what?